So today I'm going to be having some bacon and cheese mash with some ham when I cut it up, boiled up in there with the dragon's fluid powering it for my lunch in a lovely little spot on the Railway 55 cycle route. And my old buddy's having a kip over there. So the water's on and boiling. I've got to cut the ham up now. And a little trangier going in there. And the water on there. So there's all my ham cut up with my handy little Swiss Army knife, using the scissors. And even saved a piece for my best buddy over there when she wakes up. She's getting old now. And there we have it, the best mash and ham for dinner. As simple as that. Just pour it in, stir it in, mix it up. Fluffy hot mashed potato. Can't beat it. And it really is extremely tasty. And hot. Best mashed potato you'll ever make while you're out. I can assure you that. And it really is great with a bit of ham or a bit of corned beef in it. It's hot. Well, the stove's out, cooled down. Pots are washed. Always handy having a little cloth with you. A little bit of water, bit of fairy liquid out my kit. And of course, the Idaho and perfect mashed bacon and cheese. God, that was nice. Little bit of ham, little bit of corned beef in it. And boy, am I full. Beats all your pasta crap, that's all the dried ones.